The quality of being concerned with the human spirit or soul as opposed to material or physical things. Although this is one take, spirituality holds many meanings, and for some individuals, no meaning at all. You might be looking to understand spirituality to find a sense of purpose or to feel at peace with the path of life you are currently on, while others might be looking for inspiration, excitement, or maybe even a look into what some might consider mystical wonders. But before that, in order to better understand spirituality, you must first ask yourself, why are we here? And what else is there? When bringing spirituality into a conversation, it can sometimes be connected to religion. So what is the difference between the two? Religions tend to emphasize spiritualism as an extension of faith. They answer existential questions through belief in a shared path rooted in faith-based traditions. But we often hear people consider themselves to be spiritual without following any religious beliefs. So where do they fit? They see spirituality as an individual journey. They are truth seekers on a quest to understand what is beyond the human sensory experience. Spiritual people have a general recognition that we are a part of the cosmic universe, in which there are endless possibilities of what lies just beyond our grasp. As humans with a thirst for knowledge, it seems natural to question the unknown. We created philosophy as a way to help learn and understand the natural world. But since spirituality transcends our current world, it can often have a mystical element attached. Mysticism is a focused part of spirituality, a contemplative or introspective approach. It is the belief that we can gain a connection to a higher being or version of ourselves through intense thought and meditation. It rouses our innermost sense of mystery and desire to belong and connect to something beyond ourselves. In order to reach this level of connection, you must continue to grow and cultivate your mind. Spirituality and the quest for higher understanding is considered to be a lifelong journey. If you wish to expand your consciousness, you must recognize the impermanence of the world around us. Understand that happiness coming from external factors is often fleeting, and that true peace comes from within. How can someone use spirituality to find happiness? If you are hoping to find true happiness in life, you must understand its inverse, suffering. Suffering is inevitable. It is a natural part of the human experience. Suffering can ground us. As we search for ways to cope with the pain, we are often forced to remember what we are grateful for. Through practicing gratitude, you can learn to appreciate the beauty in the world around you. So why are we here? As a product of our ancestors, we are created from perfectly intertwined pathways, gifted with life. With that being said, does that mean the very fact that we are alive and able to experience this reality is a fluke? Or are we intentionally placed on this earth through a higher power and granted consciousness with the ultimate hope that we someday will uncover the secrets of the universe? And what else is there? Is there another frequency living simultaneously alongside us, one where life has a completely different meaning, but still not visible to the human eye? Is this life just a pit stop on our journey? Spirituality delves deep into these thoughts in hopes of uncovering the truth. So, what's your truth? Let me know your thoughts on these questions in the comments below, and thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more.